Insert your device into the bottom jig by using all four sides of the device. Clean your device with alcohol wipe and cleaning cloth. Remove any dust from your screen with dust removal sticker. Remove the liner film on the back of the masking film and attach to all four sides of the bottom jig. Press the top, bottom, left and right sides of the top jig to make a click sound. Insert the pin. Place the black position bridge into the top jig. Open the colored cap of the adhesive tube and place it in the middle hole of the position bridge. And then open the black cap to pour out the adhesive. After 30 seconds, please be careful not to move the jig while removing the position bridge with adhesive. After removing the liner film from the back of the tempered glass, place the glass diagonally on the pin. Push the bottom part of the jig. Release the jig and remove the pin once adhesive touches the glass in center. Wait 100 seconds. First curing time, 15 sec each for bottom, middle, top part. Press the central protrusion of the top jig to remove it. Remove speaker masking film and take out the device from the jig. Take out the device from the jig. Wipe any remaining adhesive on the side of the device with alcohol wipes. Bottom 60 sec, top 60 sec. Repeat one more time. Second curing total time, bottom 120 seconds, top 120 seconds. Clean the hinge with an alcohol wipe, cleaning cloth, dust removal sticker. Remove the liner film of the hinge film and position it on top of the hinge. Tilt the protective film 2 and 3, 180 degrees and attach it. Finish by removing the top protective film with the dust removal sticker.